Broadcast. I want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Tuesday, April the 5th, 2011. And no, this is not April Fool's. Yes, Andrew's back. Nice little drive up from New York. Here for at least the summer. Different headset. Same setup. Hopefully better quality. We'll see. 4 p.m. Eastern, Tuesday, April the 5th. What a day. And if you have not looked at my videos, the yen continues to explode. Oh, my goodness. To the moon, Alice. What is going on? Wow. But we see the stock market still cannot take out this whole 1340 level. And we see the golds at GLD to the moon. Look at this GLD. Gone like the wind. I got to cut down. Hang on. Let me try and think this thing's too loud. I want to increase this volume here. So much stuff going on since I'm gone, huh? Since my last update. So much stuff. Guns. Yemen going down. Gold to the moon. I think the OSX should show it all too. Oil Services Index to the moon. Well, almost. But again, we're getting an absolute melt up. The dollar, not really melting down, but the yen completely melting down. Dollar yen, as we see here, breaking out in a major way. Once we took out this level here, it was just a buy on pullback. I thought we'd be able to short it 84.50. I didn't think we closed this strong. You know, we have bond yields pretty much not even pushing through 350. US ISM was terrible today. You would have thought the stock market would have sold off a little bit on that. Dollar yen broke a little bit, but came ripping back. And it just looks like we're going up to 86. You know, you look at this big downtrend channel line, draw a line from the highs back 2008, extended over 95 in 2010, and that says right there 86, 86.50. Bang! So, you know, dollar yen, just incredible. Euro yen continues to break out. I'm giving you the yens early here, people. Listen, I thought we had a nice short here. I wasn't convinced because we didn't really sell off hard. But to think the stock market was basically down today a little bit, reversed all gains, and these things closed this strong. I mean, I think Japan's just going into the radiation meltdown. And I think that's probably part of the problem. Is you're really getting a panic, I think, given the fact that some of the reports are talking about 1 million times the normal radiation level being detected in the ocean. That is scary stuff. So I think we're seeing that, but in the end of the day, when things calm down, I don't see how this is going to last. But I got to tell you, today's action was very impressive. I mean, we seriously could get through 120, 125. We are now so broken out in this euro yen. You know, we couldn't even hold massive resistance here in euro yen. And it doesn't look like it's going to stop, really. I got to tell you, it doesn't really look like it's going to stop. I mean, we do a daily for 10 years. I mean, you take a look. Take your poison, pick your fib. I mean, look at this. Listen, I thought maybe we topped out a little bit, but if you do your fib from the bounce to the lows, we're talking easy over 122. 122.24. Euro yen. Dollar yen goes higher. Euro dollar is another one. That one of the things I've been telling my people, and believe me, just because I'm not giving you freebie stuff, I've been relatively in communication with premium. Relatively. Had a little problems with the chat room, but pretty much trying my best. But, you know, you take a look at this euro dollar, and this 142.50 level becoming a big zone, a big bill. I mean, look at the hourly here. And we're flagging, in my opinion. Oh, come on, don't freeze. We're flagging, but boy, should we take out this whole 142.50 level? We're going to 143.50. Gone. Like the wind. And again, my problem is, in my opinion, Thursday, Trige is the mother of sell on the news events. The motherlode. Sell, 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 sell. Absolutely. But this euro is so gone. Should we really take out this 42.50? We're talking 144. You got that right, Ron. 144 easy. I don't want that. Sorry. So, again, the question is it the euro going to run into Trige and explode to 144 right before, or is it going to back and fill? And I'm hoping it's going to back and fill. Listen, I hope this thing comes in, to our channel line. Maybe it picks up around 140, 180, and we could pick it up. Wednesday, we're basically be almost, 18 hours away at that point, tomorrow. So the euro, in my opinion, again, is going to rally into Trige. And then it's the mother of sell on the news events. Big time. The market's already pricing in multiple rate hikes. What if he only says one? What if he only says one? Which I think is still a possibility. Dollar Swiss, I think, is turning. I think it's going up. I think Euro Swiss continues to go higher. I tried shorting that, lost money today. I think this Euro Swiss has more upside to go. Again, it's a sell on the news event, though. And you look at where this thing has been and where it's, where it could go. I mean, we're talking 135, 134. Bang! So I'm looking around. I think this thing could break out even more. And that's if euro dollar doesn't go and Euro Swiss explodes, that means dollar Swiss is going to go up big. Hey, listen, risk aversion, baby. Aussie dollar. I'm actually long it, believe it or not. Stock market didn't close that great, but we were short. A little trade. I would have thought we had a lot more in it. I'm a little disappointed, to tell you the truth. I think this Aussie really should have done a lot more on the downside. Held up fairly well. I thought the RBA left rates unchanged, but really didn't give you a clear picture at all as far as where rates are going. It's all about the situations in Japan, in the world, Europe. So, but the bottom line is they will still raise rates if things turn up. Big employment numbers coming out tomorrow, over 24 hours from now. And the trade balance was pretty weak, down 210 million Aussies. Supposed to be up 1.15, so certainly a big slowdown there. Of course, London was the big story. Sterling today to the moon. Euro sterling, oh my goodness, gone. I killed the euro sterling short. Long. Sorry. Can't believe it. Cable now looks like it wants to go. TTMA, baby. To the moon, Alice. Oh, baby. Didn't quite hit that channel line, but I got to tell you, this thing looks like now 164. You have this whole expanding type move where we make new highs, we make new lows. That's fine. So let's get up, giddy up, baby. Let's go to 165. Why not? I think 164 we can easily get to. And again, we look at this dollar index. Daily chart. And once again, we really have broken this whole uptrend channel line. And yeah, we had that Friday big spike reversal. Tried to break through that channel line. And that's why you had all the stops. But failed. And I think the fact is break it out to break it down. And I think, should we take out 75.60 on the Dixie? I think we could easily have a nice little meltdown. Whoops. Sorry. And when you zoom out, it's so busted. It just looks like this thing's going 74. And if you even measure the move on the bounce, which was a lot, 75.40 to 76.50, so about $1.10, we easily get down. Easy. So this dollar index, again, not closing very well, meaning a lot of resistance on any rally. And one thing I'm a little bit surprised, I am long this New Zealand dollar. I don't love this chart. That's a nice reversal candle here. And I think that, should we come in a little bit, and I think we hold, maybe even to the 10 exponential. But I still think with commodities, gold, oil, well, not oil, but gold, silver, everything, commodities breaking out. Commodity currencies should outperform. And again, this dollar Canada, I think, comes in tonight. Selling any strength. And even this Aussie, I don't love the close. It might even be a little weaker. I don't think we take out today's low. I'm a holder till there. BOP, baby. Euro sterling, as big of a break as it was, I still think that we can hold. And this whole 86.50 level is key. I think we probably come in a little bit more. Cable outperforms. We did break this whole uptrend channel line here, which is not good. But net, I do want to be a buyer ahead of Trigé. So I think this comes in a little bit more. One more day, and then we look to get long this thing ahead of Trigé. But certainly a big break. Broke this whole month-long uptrend channel. So Euro sterling clearly could come in a lot more. And you do a Fibonacci. And we're looking around 86 easy, 50% retracement, 86.15. And again, these yens, I have no idea what to tell you. This is nuts. Nuts, I tell you. Let's see. Aussie yen is only up, 1,400 pips. Oh, my goodness. This is crazy. Lunacy. I mean, look at this sterling yen. It's only up 1,400 pips. Oh, my God. I did not have this today. Thank God we weren't short it. We shorted in the U.S. session, but didn't have it early. Euro yen we were short, but that we were up because we waited to sell it around 120. 85. There are numbers tonight, but nothing really major in Asia. We got shop price index out of BRC in London. In Asia, the numbers coming out. Home loans, big deal there out of Australia. Manufacturing PMI production and industrial production coming out of London. Interesting numbers there. Final GDP out of Eurozone. German factory orders 6 a.m. Eastern. That's a big number there. Canadian Ivy. That Canadian Ivy comes in. Oh, baby. Maybe we get continuation on this Luna Yen. I mean, Luna Yen clearly trying to break out here. They're all breaking out. They're all gone like the wind. I mean, look at this. I know it's the fib, but still, major breakout. This thing has 90 written all over it. I think we got to get along it. Listen, we had the fake out. They faked us out. They reversed yesterday a little bit. Now they're closing strong again. We've got to get long. I think you want to be short some and long others. That's fine. But, New Zealand yen, it's going. I mean, this thing is breaking out. We might be going to 70. It's air. Look at this. Air. There's nothing here. There's air. A clean 400 pips. Gone. So this New Zealand, while yes, it does look like a nice reversal in New Zealand dollar, I'm not convinced. I am not convinced. I mean, never really hit this channel line, that 77.50 level. Close, but no cigar. All right, so again, I think that the dollar looks to me like should be sold into Trigé. If the dollar rallies, it'll be after Trigé. Dollar yen is a whole other animal. Dollar yen looks to me like it's going up 385. It's gone. Licked our wounds, start all over. But it just looks like even 86, this dollar yen, and that means carry trades are going up. Japanese carry trades are going higher. And I think this euro is going to bust through 42.50. And I think the Canadian Ivy is going to be slam dunk good. So this dollar yen, I think, has got more upside to it. Bada bing, bada boom. Certainly 85.50. Something like that. And if you're going to any reversal on a Wednesday, remember it's triple roll, triple interest tomorrow. Which means they could run that Aussie yen into the close too. Big. So we might have a nice sell after 5 p.m. Eastern tomorrow on a bad employment number, which I think will be bad. But Other than that, I could see the stock market down a little bit. Certainly the close was not great, but I don't think the euro really sells off significantly until after Trichet selling the news. Other than that, I could see more, again, euro sterling weakness, cable strength, dollar yen up. Oh, baby. All right, team, I'll see you back half an hour. Half an hour. And again, if you have any questions, I'm back in business again. Full force, baby. Everything back up running. All settled in New York. Looking forward to some good things. I'm sure some of you freebies miss me. Oh, baby. Hopefully, there's better sound quality, by the way. I got a new headset, so I'm hearing it's better. Info at globalfxradio.com. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio, the only voice you'll ever need, who truly loves to make you money, baby. Have a good night.